Morning, everybody. We're here at the Dickson County Fair chicken auction today. Got a competition and some judging of the chickens, and then an auction at the end. So stay around and see what the Dickson Fair looks like.
It's on your jacket.
That's how they all really want to try and catch it. Those big chicks.
Hi, buddy. Goats are later. Still coming in. We've chased several chickens. Oh, there's another one. Runner. Got a runner.
Yes, sir. Miss Lacey? Yes, sir.
We will be starting with shortly. We'd like to
So these kiddos have chosen to take first to the side. In no style chicken, we have, and that is everybody. Can we give them a round of applause while the judges make their decisions?
Got judging going on. Out here for the chicken skillathon. I don't want to take any of these tests.
You know why they want to do that?
chicken, the meat goat chicken, and then 6 o'clock it says the meat goat classic show is going to be going at 6 o'clock.
Got chicken judging going on right now, so we're waiting for the ribbons. Almost to the back row. Judges are next to last row.
I've been here for 20 years working for Extension, so I'm no stranger, apparently. If you look at the feet, if you look at the beak, you'll notice that the pigmentation has started to kind of get pale yellow, or is supposed to be pale yellow. On the project you're given to tomorrow's leaders, please open up your wallets. It's for the children. Thank y'all for having me. Congratulations to the winners. Congratulations to each and every one of you. You've done an outstanding job, and thank y'all for having me.
So we'd like to present him with just a little thank you gift for all he does for us. All right, kids, y'all are dismissed.
15 now, 15, she's at 14 now, 15. Anybody want to be 15 times 3 now? 15 times 3, the last column. Now 16. You gotta be 16, man. 16, now, 16, you'll be 16. Hey, I'm 15 right here now, 16. There's 3 of them in there, 16. Now 17. Now 17. 10 now 11. 11 now 12. Now 12 now 13. Now 13. 13, 6 times your money now. 13 now 13 now 13. Y'all out, $13. Hey, who give me $13? Anybody? 13 now 13 now 14 now 14. Hey, 14 now 15 now 15 now 15 now 6 times your money now. $15. Hey, 15 now 15 now 15. You're out $15. Hey, $15. Hey, I'm 14 now 15. Hey, y'all all out now $15. So $14 on 2. $14 on 2. Hey, Greg. Hey, 12 bucks. Hey, 12 now, 13 now, 13 now, 14 now, 14 now, 14 now, 14. You're at 14 now, 15. Hey, $15 now, 15 now, 30. Hey, there's 6 of them in there. $13. $13. 13 now, 14. Now 15 now, 15 now, 15. You're at 15 now, 15. Hey, 15 bucks. Anybody want me 15 now?
Why are you bidding on chickens?
Because we need them.
He knows a good chicken, leave her alone.
I'm over there. Both of you guys. Yep. 31.
Now $30 in. Now look at 31. Everybody 31, 31, 31. Nice call. Sold, $5.
Number 5.
Nice.
Six.
Got 3 of them.
3 of them in there.
$25.
It's a
25,
reserve
now
champion.
6.
30. 30.
$26.
30.
30 now, 31.
Yep. Yep.
32, 33, or 32, 33.
40.
Oh, 40.
45.
Now 1.
Got 45.
Now 6. 46. 46. 46. 46. 46. Come on now.
Yeah.
Now 7.
50.
47. 47.
You got 50.
50. Now 1. 51. 51. 51. 51. 51. Don't let them beat you like that. 51. 51. 51. 51. 51. Hammers high.
Yep.
Now 2. 52.
55.
52, 52, 52, 52, 55, 55, now 6, 56, 56,
Yeah.
now 7, 57, 57, 57, 57, now 8, 58,
Yep.
58, 58, 59, 59, 59,
You talking about it?
going once, going twice, sold.
What's the number?
$57 on 22. $57 on 22.
Yeah.
I'm number 28. I have been trying my best to take care of them and make them be the best they can. And I appreciate all of you for helping me through this journey and encouraging me and helping, and thank you Co-op too for the feed at the start of the project, and that's about all I have to say. Auction time. 30 now 1. 6 chickens in there.
40 bucks.
40 bucks. Now 1. 41.
Yeah.
41. 41 now 2.
Yep.
42. Now 3. 43. 43. 43. 50 now 1. 51. 51.
For the grand champion.
51. 51.
These are the champs now.
I know. I work
They
in
took,
the
they took hard
Now these are my
work.
champs now. Come on now.
He's
51.
begging y'all.
51.
Yep.
Second place don't suit me. Come on. Now 3. Now 3.
Yep.
Now 4. 54.
Yep.
54, 55, 55, now 6, now 7, 57, 57, 58, 58, 59, 60, now 1, 65, now 6, now 6, now 6, now 6, 67, now 8, 68, 68, let's go, 68, hammers high, 68, sold, $67. Winner number 5. Thank you.
All right, wait, tell you, what you got going?
He said sell them again.
All right, you're donating, appreciate the donation, now listen, he's donating them. So now we're going to sell them again, so you get to sell them again.
And you got a $50 start on them.
All right, $50. Now 1, 51, 51.
Yep.
Now 2,
Yep.
52, now 3, 53, 53, 53.
What?
Now 4, now 5, 55, 55,
I'm on video.
55. Let's call 55.
Do it.
Hammer time.
Overtime.
Sold, $54.
And over there, number 6.
Number 6. Thank you.
Yeah.
We'll see y'all next year.
Chelsea Lacey trying to bid on the grand champions.
Thank y'all very much.
$50 times 6 chickens. That's $300. But hey, we got a awesome donor over here. Actually, somebody bought them for in the 60s, which is near $400, and then he just donated them back to the program, and they bid them off for another $300. So I hope everybody enjoyed watching this amazing 4-H program, the chick program, and thanks Dickson County Fair and Co-op and all the sponsors. I think they had a lot of them, so I appreciate everybody coming.